front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. You need to open Play Store and download one of my favorite apps, which is Caffeine Keep Screen On. It's especially helpful when I'm recording for a long time, because after launching it and hitting OK in welcome pop-up, you can tap on Timeout and pick one of those options. To choose Never though, you need to tap on Infinite at the top. Now, to actually set it up and make it functional on this OPPO, go into Tab menu and edit your shortcuts thanks to this pen at the bottom left corner. Then you need to add Caffeine shortcuts available under Available Shortcuts here. Hold it, drag it to the perfect place in your shortcut menu and let go. Now tap on Done at the top right corner and click on your Caffeine shortcut. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that Infinite Sleep Time is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!